Hey YouTube, it's your girl TT, and today we're back with another video. So today I'm by myself right now because I want to tell y'all that I want to do a prank on Shaquille. Another prank. The last prank I did was a hickey prank. I seen the trend, the sneeze, the sneeze prank, and what I want to do is get a bottle. I'm trying to look for a bottle right now. Honestly, I can't really find anything. I have like a big bottle, but I want to fill it with water. And I have really bad allergies. Like right now, my nose and everything is just not cooperating with me. So I want to get a spray bottle. And today we planned to do a sit down video. So during the video, I just want to act like everything's normal, and then, you know, like, oh, my allergies are acting up, and sneeze all over his face and see his reaction. So if you want to see that, stay tuned to this video, and yeah, comment, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, join the TT and SK fam. All right, stay tuned.
Baby, come ride with me, I want you to ride with me, yeah. Baby, come ride with me, I want you to ride with me.
Okay, so I got like this bottle. It actually doesn't have hair products in it because I emptied it out. I filled it with water. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. So like it's kind of making a sound, which is like the only bad thing. I think what I'm gonna do is like when I sneeze, okay, so achoo! Achoo! I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry guys, the lighting here is like A1. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is use this spray bottle. It's hair mist that's filled with water, and wow, yeah, he's gonna definitely be like, why are you sneezing on me? Like, why? Are you disgusting? You don't have a tissue? But yeah, I'm so excited for this prank. I really want to see his reaction. But yeah, he's on his way. He's outside, and I'm gonna set up the camera, and you know, we're gonna do our regular video, but it's gonna be a prank. So let's go. Let's start. Yes, come through, lady. Come through. All right, bye, y'all. My allergies been acting up. But yeah, so we gonna start the video or what?
You feel nice?
Yeah, the sun was on me so nice today.
Someone's on me so nice today. Why are we setting it together?
No, it's just practicing. I wanted to see how you look on camera.
You know how I look on camera. Bro, I look so like just sweat.
Why are you yawning like that?
What the frick?
My nose.
Are you fucking? Yo, what the frick was that?
Did I sneeze?
That's disgusting.
I'm actually sorry.
That's disgusting.
It was gonna sneeze.
No.
Okay.
I'm tired.
We have to start the video. Come. Come do your intro.
I don't need your phone.
Come. I set it up for you already. See how you look in the camera. You look good.
I can't look at it like this. Because look,
I swear I need tissue.
my eyes are looking this way. I mean, don't do that. Is this a lie? Hey, you too.
You look way better when you're lower. I don't know why.
Like this?
Yeah, it looks good there.
But I can't be like this.
Why not?
Talking into the camera.
My nose.
That's not funny. Still.
Sorry.
That's not funny.
I'm actually sorry. My nose is so bad. I didn't even sneeze on you. I sneezed on my sweater.
So what was I feeling?
I sneezed.
What was that wet stuff on my eyes?
I didn't sneeze on you though. Cause I went like this.
Alright, let's start this video. So you want to be like this? Like what the hell? This is chop. Nah.
Okay, so how do you want to start? You could,
It's just the angle, to be honest.
you could hold it. We could put up the ring light. Can I have some juice too, please?
Yeah.
My nose keeps acting up.
Yo, are you good? Why are you sneezing on me like that?
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
I'm sorry,
And you
but
have the
up an
camera
eye.
like.
my allergies are just acting up.
No, that's disgusting. How much times are you gonna do that today?
I already did it once.
How much times are you gonna do that today?
Thanks for the juice.
Oh, stay far from me. They said 6 feet. You stay 12 feet. 12 feet away from me. I want you nowhere close to me.
Can we just finish the
100
vlog?
100-meter distance.
Damn!
I'm not doing no more vlog no more. While we're sneezing on this.
Well, thanks for the juice. Like, my hair is messy. Okay, guys, the update is
Hey, too. In that video, I look tired and like.
we're trying to film a video for you guys, but honestly, we're having technical difficulties. The stand's not working. Everything's not working. So therefore, we can't post the good content.
So what do? Someone save us. What do?
Someone save us, because we have nothing to film and we have nothing to post. So therefore, YouTube is over. Could you like flatten my hair? Like, look at all the flyaways. Thank you, love. Thank you.
Got you.
So what are we gonna do? Somebody go get me a tissue.
What the frig was that?
Yo, my nose is wet.
Bro, my arm is wet. Like,
No.
what's this?
Go get
What? Ah! Look at my shirt. Yo. Nah, that's disgusting.
I need a tissue for my nose. It's actually watering.
That's disgusting. Like, look at this.
I'm actually sorry. I'm actually sorry. Could you get me a tissue, please? My nose is wet.
I don't give a damn. Like, you can't. First of all, you did that to me like 3 times so far. Like, that's disgusting. You can't look away and sneeze.
Yeah,
You
but
nasty.
I did. I sneezed. I sneezed on my sweater.
I'm disgusting. You don't want that stuff on me. Corona's going on. I don't know.
I don't have.
You been?
I don't have corona. Like, my nose is getting stuffy. What do you want me to do?
Whatever.
I won't sneeze on you again. I'm sorry.
Sneeze on me for what? You
I
can't
said.
tell me
I
your-
said. I'm sorry. I sneezed on my sleeve.
No, you did.
Yeah, I did.
You turn your face and you sneeze on me. You're nasty. Like, who does that? Okay, bedtime.
Hi, Simba. Hi, Simba. I'm about to just kick up and watch a movie. And yeah. And eat some food and whatnot.
Bedtime.
I'm kind of hungry. Let's play Uno.
Your bedtime.
Uno. I'm joking. Okay, well, this was just our little vloggity vlog. We literally did nothing for this whole vlog. We did nothing for this whole vlog. I didn't do this.
There has to be something.
Fuck. I mean, where's the tissue?
What in the frig, man? What if I did that to you? What if I sneeze all over you like that when you're not looking?
Jeez.
Yeah. I'm going to my yard, bro.
It's just sneeze. We're
No,
close.
you're freaking sick.
I'm sick.
You're sick. To be sneezing on people like that, you're sick.
I'm not sneezing on you on purpose. By accident.
Okay, so try covering your mouth and looking this way. Don't look at me. Don't turn your head my way. None of that. Just sneeze.
I did this. Like, I go, "Ach," and then, like, it exits from my sleeve.
You know what you're doing. And I don't know why you're doing that, but stop. That's nasty.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Are you mad at me? Why are you so salty?
Because there's no respect sneezing on people.
I sneezed by accident. It's a lighting nice. Are you actually
I
doing?
was taking on a blood clot. Idiot.
We're gonna go chill, watch a movie. What movie should we watch?
I'm gonna watch Learn How to Not Sneeze on People.
Okay, so we outta here. We outta. I'm joking. He's so he's so paranoid.
Oh, sorry, we do that throwing you off the balcony. You're God.
You're so funny. Okay.
Tiana, this is my life. What? You spit? Ah! My eyes, bro. What the hell? No way. Yo, that went in my eyes. What kind of chemicals are you spraying to my eyes? I seen that. You have a bottle. That's disgusting. Wait, what are you trying to do?
No, but I put no.
on you?
I put water in this. I filled it with water. I cleaned it out and I put water in here.
Nah, yo. There's still chemicals in this bottle.
No,
Yes, because it went in my eyes and it's burning.
no, I cleaned it out. I swear, I cleaned it out. Did you actually like think I was sneezing on you?
I'm trying to feel like the first 2 times, I'm like, yeah. I thought you were sneezing on me for real. And after that, I'm like, nah, this girl has to be spraying something on me because there's no way you're doing that rapidly. How the hell are you even sneezing that much?
I got you. Don't lie. No, don't lie. I did get you. Team TT in the cut. I tried. Honestly, this prank was so lame because I actually did get him for the first 2 times. And then we didn't know what to film for you guys. So then we're sitting here debating what we should film. And then we're sitting here talking and I'm like, okay, well, we're this close to each other. Let me spray him again and sneeze. And then I did it. But I think you fell for it. I'm not sure if you fell for it this time on the couch.
Nah. Nah, still I knew.
That just sucks. I'm just saying.
I even heard the bottle too. That's why, like, I heard like water and something. After you did it, you sprayed me, and then when you moved the bottle faster, I heard the water shaking up in the bottle.
Wow.
So yeah, you got knocked.
That's lame. The video.
The first 2 times though, you got me. No cap.
That's lame. I tried to come through with the second prank, but damn, this is harder than I thought.
Yo, I need to up my pranks on you, boy. You're trying to do all of these pranks to me. Don't worry, guys. Team SK, I'm gonna get her back live. Simba. Oh yeah, though.
But yeah, comment, like, subscribe. Let us know what prank we should do next, what video, because we're really still sitting here thinking of our next video. But hopefully you enjoyed this little 5-minute video I put together trying to prank sneeze on him. But yeah, you need to come through with the prank.
I'm gonna get her back. Don't worry, guys.
But yeah, love y'all. See y'all later.
Peace out.
It goes something like this. She wanna take my pain away. All up in my